Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another eventful day on this one, although from more so the general technical levels that I've talked about in past videos, nothing has necessarily been violated or broken or anything like that. Although I will say that as of right now, this key level of resistance that I've talked about in past videos is certainly being threatened of potentially being broken, which if you're long, that is a good thing. Now, if the price, were to come up there, that doesn't mean that for sure it's actually, let me extend this out so it carries a little bit more weight moving forward right here at 1975. So my point here being is that if the price can continue to work its way up there and then, threatens breaking above it and then does kind of follow through with the threat, if you will, and breaks up through there, while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is that break could very well create that much more upside buying pressure. Once again, no such thing is guaranteed, but a bunch of breakout players are going to be watching that level. So while nothing's guaranteed, it is definitely a more than valid and more than rational thought to have that if the price can work its way up there and get the breakup through it, that would certainly be, like I said, a good sign of strength and therefore a level that could create just additional buying pressure to the upside direction. But to be fair, the price is not guaranteed to work its way up there and start to threaten that 1975 mark. If the price does pull back, then from the overall scope of things, key level is down here at 1790. I've spent quite a bit of time talking about the importance of that level, but given right now the price isn't anywhere even close to it, I'm not going to revisit that. If you're curious on why 1790 is so important, you can just go back and watch a video from November 10th, and I talk more on that there. But as of right now, like I said, the big dynamic here is the question mark of can the price get up to 1975, threaten it, and then break through it. And if it can, then yeah, that break could create some upside buying pressure. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.